In this video, we will bring to you the design of a villa floor, which needed complete renovation. This floor has a living room, 4 bedrooms and a kitchen. Here, we are covering the living room and 2 bedrooms. The rest of the design will be covered in the next videos. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video. It will motivate us to create more interior related content for you. So, moving on with the design, initially there was wooden furniture in the living room. The sofas were made of solid teak wood and so was the center table. The owners wanted to give this room a modern look and feel. So, we went forward with metal, stone and upmarket upholstery in this project. We have given a 3 and a 2-seater sofa, made using classy dark gray fabric. The base of the sofas is PVD coated, which absolutely creates a sense of elegance and matches with the overall theme of the room. A leatherette swivel chair gives an extra seating and also adds color to the room. The rug by D Decor has abstract pattern that adds a little drama to the room. It matches with the color of the swivel chair on one hand and creates a contrast with the color of the sofas on the other. The round center table with white marble top saves a space and looks classy. A very light wallpaper is used on the 2 adjacent walls. Wall-mounted light fixtures scream elegance. The golden frames matches with the theme of the room and captivates you. They immediately move your attention to the art pieces that they highlight. The doors in the house are polished using high-gloss PU to maintain the top-notch feel. Moving on to the dining section, the accent wall is created using the same high-gloss veneer that has been used throughout the house. Rose gold glass creates some random pattern and makes the room look sophisticated and bigger. Complementing this wall are the 3 golden framed mirror on the adjacent wall. The 6-seater dining table has PVD coated metal base and marble top. The chairs with greenish upholstery sits perfectly over here. There was a wash basin in this room for the guests. We used metal cut partition to block the view of that section. The partition also worked as a prominent feature in the room. Dark black tiles adorns the wall and matches with the vanity that was not there earlier. The golden handles add a touch of luxury to this section, as does the wall-mounted bulb. Next, we move to the master bedroom. Carrying forward the elegance from the living room, we have done a wall cladding on the headboard wall. The white marble look, which we have got using acrylic sheets, makes the room look bright. The metal profiles on the cladding adds richness to the room. The beautiful, fully quilted bed, made using bluish-gray leatherette, creates a wonderful snooze zone. Continuing with the white theme, the bedside tables have white border along with high-gloss wood finish drawer shutters. 3-door wardrobe with dual tone as high-gloss white and light blue laminate shades. The same tones have been used for the paneled TV unit. For some extra seating, we have given an ottoman next to the oval mirror with the golden frame. We have also given a poof in front of the mirror. Both ottoman and poof are made using dark gray fabric. Moving on to the son's bedroom, the headboard side has semi-cylindrical quilted wall cladding. Light gray fabric has been used here. On both the sides of the cladding, we have given dark gray rectangular mirror frames. Gray bedside table with golden base and handles matches well with the theme. The TV unit, which provides extra storage, is a combination of dark and light gray laminates. Triple door wardrobe with framed mirror on the shutters makes the room look airy and bright. We have given a day bed and 2 poofs in this room for extra seating. The poofs can be accommodated below the TV unit in order to save space. Both the daybed and the poofs also add color to the room. Hope you liked the video. We will discuss the kitchen and a 3rd bedroom's design in the upcoming video. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.